back to Auto Vibes 7. Today, we're diving into a powerful and compact workhorse, the 2025 Kubota B6000 tractor. This Japanese-made tractor is known for its durability, reliability, and versatility, making it a top choice for small-scale farmers and property owners alike. Let's start with the heart of this beast, its engine. The Kubota B6000 is powered by a 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled, diesel engine, which delivers 13.5 horsepower, making it an excellent option for a variety of tasks without compromising on power or efficiency. The engine is known for its fuel economy, so it will save you both time and money in the long run. Now, let's talk about the size and design of this tractor. With a compact frame, it's perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces. Whether you're navigating through narrow farm paths or working in a smaller yard, the Kubota B6000 offers excellent agility without sacrificing performance. This tractor is ideal for landscaping, light farming, or even carrying out routine maintenance tasks around the property. One of the standout features of the B6000 is its transmission. It comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering smooth shifting for various applications. Whether you need high speed for road work or low speed for precise tasks, the B6000 handles it all with ease. When it comes to the hydraulics, this tractor doesn't disappoint. The Kubota B6000 is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system that can handle a variety of attachments, from plows to loaders. With a rear PTO and mid-mount, it provides excellent versatility for different farming and construction needs. The B6000 also comes with power steering, making it incredibly easy to handle. Even during long hours of work, it has a simple yet effective control panel, so you don't have to worry about complicated settings when you need to get the job done quickly. Another important feature is its rear differential lock, which gives you extra traction on tough terrain. This makes it even more reliable when dealing with muddy fields or uneven ground. Coupled with its low center of gravity, the Kubota B6000 offers great stability, even when carrying heavy loads. But what about comfort? Despite its compact size, the B6000 offers a comfortable operator seat with easy-to-reach controls. It's designed to minimize strain, even if you're spending hours working on it. If you're looking to use this tractor in a more professional setting, you'll be happy to know that the Kubota B6000 has great resale value. It's a trusted name in the industry, and many people swear by it for both small farms and heavy-duty residential tasks. To sum it all up, the 2025 Kubota B6000 combines power, efficiency, and versatility in a compact design, making it a top contender for anyone in need of a reliable tractor for light farming or property maintenance. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the B6000 is sure to meet your needs. Thanks for tuning into Auto Vibes 7. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. Catch you in the next one.